So hello guys, good evening everybody, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video, whenever this video comes to you. This is on our screen here. This is Solana USD. You understand? This is Solana USD. I want to do like a top-down analysis on Solana and a technical analysis on Solana because of some questions I've been getting and some of the things I'm seeing on Solana and the way Solana have been behaving from this particular zone where Solana is presently. You understand? This is Solana, not forex pair. You get? This is crypto. You understand? Ba? So this is it here. This is exactly what I'm seeing on Solana. You know, Solana, if when you are doing your top-down analysis and your technical analysis, you look at the market critically and you see where the market, you see a strong zone where the market is being like respecting for the longest time, and presently now Solana is in that particular strong zone where it's been like for in the history of Solana. Whenever Solana come to this particular place, he always respect this particular zone, and I'm going to like point it out for you guys one after the other for both day traders, swing traders and investors. You get it? That's the reason why I come up with this particular top-down analysis on Solana. You get? So let's dive into the analysis. This is weekly time frame on Solana. You get? I know the whole crypto market is bleeding, like is crashing to the downside, but Solana, if you ever wanted to buy the dip, then Solana is at the point where you're supposed to buy up to like 70% of your, like if you have let me just say, if you want to invest in Solana, like presently now you're supposed to invest 70% of your capital into Solana USD. You understand? This is not a financial advice, it's just my own point of view and where Solana has been respecting for the longest, and I'm going to be pointing it out for you guys one after the other. You know me, I do a top-down analysis and I look at the chart critically and I see where the market can possibly react from. You understand? And I'll see where the market is being respected for the longest. So this is weekly time frame, and if you carry your horizontal line like this, mark your support level from this particular area down to this place. This is where Solana have been respecting. And which particular zone is this? This is 131. This is 130 zone. You understand? This is 130 zone. You get? Whenever Solana come to this particular zone, there must be a reaction. Like it always respect this particular zone. Do you know why I say it always respect this particular zone? This is weekly time frame, and I will be pointing it out for you one after the other where Solana have been respecting this particular zone. You understand? So from me looking, let me be pointing it out for you. See, when Solana is moving from down here, when Solana break above this particular, break from here to the upside, you break this particular area to the upside like this, you come down, respect this particular zone. This is the 130 zone. You understand? Respect this particular zone, go up. You get? Then you come down, respect the zone again, go up, make preparation before you break it down to this particular area. Then as the market reach this particular zone, it go down. You understand? That is when market was consolidating from around this particular area, consolidating for a while. You understand? It consolidate for a while, then it come to this particular zone, it come down, gather momentum before it break the zone to the upside. And since the market break this particular zone, this particular 130 zone, the market have been respecting that particular zone, like how person dey see his elder brother or his elders in the village, then they bow down, like they lie down for am. So this particular zone is a zone where Solana is being like portraying to. You get? So this is it here. As the market break above this particular 130 zone, it come to the 130 zone, move up, come again, move up, come again before we see this aggressive move to the upside. Then it retests the bit to the support level before we see all-time high. That is when Solana reach 293 $. You get. Now it move all the way to the downside, clear the liquidity of the people who will buy from this particular area. You understand? Clear it down, go up. You understand? Respect the 130 zone again, $130 zone. You understand? From 125 to 130. You understand? That is where the market is being respecting. So that is the reason why I'm making this particular zone, like I see it as a strong zone in Solana. You get. So if you ever wanted to invest, or if you ever wanted to invest in Solana, let your 70% investment enter Solana now. You understand? Then maybe if anything happen and it still crash to the downside, then you invest the remaining 30% into it. You understand? Then you wait till you create another all-time high. You get. Because this is, as the market reach the 125 to 130 zone again, it still move up. You understand? Almost trying to make a higher high. You understand? But not that higher high, then come down again to this particular zone. If you look closely, you understand, if you look closely, this particular zone is on a weekly time frame, is a zone that Solana have been respecting for the longest. You understand? So I come up with this particular analysis. I go live video with my people every 8 p.m. You understand? It is of recent that all of us come together and make it 4 times in a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. You understand? To do our top-down analysis. You get. So I analyze this particular trade for them, and I say, let me make a video about it, because there are a lot of people who don't have chance to come to that particular live video. But that live video is a live video that will change your life forever, because that is where you have the chance to ask a question. You understand? And that is where you have the chance to look at me face to face, and I will answer you. Not any make a video and edit before. Although normally I don't edit my video, but this one is just, that one is just look, you look at me face to face and ask me. You understand? And if you even want to join my live to show your face to the to my viewers, you are permitted again. You understand? You get. So that particular live video is a community. You understand? It's a family that comes together to make things work out. You get. Because in this, look at this particular industry, this particular trading industry, there is not any free live section. You understand? Any live section that you join is a live section that the person is doing exactly what carry him to that particular live section. No matter how you drop question, they are not going to answer you. For this particular live section that I host it for my for struggling traders. I host it for an advanced traders. I host it for a pro traders. You understand? Because I've stepped out of struggling trading. You understand? Struggles in trading. So I come up with this particular live stream every day. But right now, like this, we have changed it to 3 times in a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then Sunday we'll do a weekly top-down analysis. You get. That is how we are going to be doing it from next week. You understand? I don't know when I'm going to post this particular video. It might be tomorrow, it might be next tomorrow, it might be on Sunday or anytime. But I just want to I'll post this particular video as early as possible to create awareness that Solana is at its support level, where you can be able to invest 70% of your capital into it. You get. I know what I'm telling you guys. You understand? It's not hype or anything. They say buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. If you are an investor, you understand, you know when to buy. If this particular analysis is making sense to you, it's not like somebody is not like I'm forcing anybody to invest in Solana presently, because everybody have the way they look at the market. Everybody know how to do their simple technical or fundamental or top-down analysis. But from my own point of view, Solana is at its support level where it always respects, you get. And when we go to the lower time frame like daily time frame, you see a reaction of this particular coin, you understand, on the daily time frame, for you to know that buyers are stepping into this particular market massively, you understand. Because any time that you see that market come to a support level, a major support level like this, and you see a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, that means buyer have take over from sellers. But the reason why you will be seeing a consolidation before the market will move to the upside, whenever a market come to a major support level like this, there must be a consolidation, there must be a bargain between a buyer and a seller, you understand. There must be a bargain between a buyer and a seller. Seller will try to push the market down below, and buyers will try to push the market to the up, you understand. But for you to be among the winning team is look at the market technically, fundamentally, and do your top down analysis. But when you look at the market, when you use when you use technical analysis, do the analysis, do your thing on the chart, you are good to go, you get. So now like this is the weekly time frame on Solana, and is on the support level where it always respect from, like respect, you get. So I just want to bring this to your notice, then, so that anybody who will have the who would like to invest in Solana will dive into investing in Solana right now. Let me just say 50 or 70% of your investments should go into Solana if you ever wanted to invest in Solana before it will go to the upside. So I just want to bring this to your notice. You get, this is how I do my top down analysis and my technical analysis. You get, this is how I do my top down analysis and my technical analysis. And if I give you something like this is my prediction, you get. Just do your own top down analysis and your technical analysis. You are going to understand what I'm saying. Look at the zone very very well and see the behavior of the market from this particular zone from the past, you get. From the past, then you know exactly what to do, you get. So if you go to daily time frame, you understand. Let me go to daily time frame and show you one particular candlestick on the daily time frame. Let me show you one particular candlestick on the daily time frame. See, there is a bargain between a sellers and a buyer, but immediately the market tap on this particular major support level. Which candlestick do you see like this? Which type of candlestick is this? This is a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? This is a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. So this is a sign that buyers are trying to take over from this particular support level, but there is a consolidation around this area before the market comes to this particular support level. So this particular minor resistance level now is trying to send the market down to the down again, but it's normal, you understand. The market will form something like a W pattern, you understand, before you see another spike to the upside. This is another opportunity for anybody who will invest in Solana, you understand, this period, you get. So I just want to bring this to your notice as your favorite top down analysis and king of engulfing candlestick, you understand, king of engulfing, you understand, master of engulfing candlestick. That is who I be. It's benvfx, you understand. If you take my live stream, just come to my live stream, even if it is just once, you are going to testify, you understand. No matter the question you bring, there's a way I will pull everything together because of how experienced I am in the market for the past for complete 4 years now, you understand, consistently, you understand, in the market. So I can be able, and I even start my journey with crypto trading before I later discover forex, before I dive into forex, then invest only in crypto market, you understand. So this is the time and the season to invest either 50% or or 70% of your investment in Solana if you ever wanted to buy Solana. Then when it comes to you BTC USD, expect the market to go down to 75 70 75, you understand, before you started investing in BTC USD, you understand. So expect the market to go down to a major support level where the market will like respect, and which that is around 70 to 75,000 dollar support level. That support level is a strong support level where where buyers will step into the market to push the market to the upside, you understand. So if you ever wanted to buy Solana, this is the right time, because of the reaction I'm seeing from this particular support level and from the past experience, you understand, on the chart. That is the reason why I bring this to your notice, so that you know that yes, Solana is at its point now to like invest 50 or 70% of your investment into Solana, you get, before it's too late. Don't say the benvfx did not tell you. Even if the market crash to the downside, this is how they say buy the dip. You will not just buy everything at once, you understand. You just be buying it gradually. But this particular area where Solana have been respecting for the longest, you like 70% of your investment go into this particular market right now is very good, you understand. Then maybe after you invest your 70%, you wait for the next thing that will happen. Either the market will crash down to this particular area, of which it will be very hard. This is 30, understand, this $30, 25 $30, like around that kind. Let me just say 11 15 25, you understand. So once you invest your, let me just say 50% or 70%, you just hold the remaining one. Either if the market is moving aggressively to the upside, you are safe. If the market moves to the downside, you still have a little to buy the dip, you understand. That is how they invest in crypto market. Just buy it gradually, not that you just put everything at once. No, you just be buying it gradually. Buy it when it's on a major support level, that you know that yes, the markets always respect this particular support level. Just buy there. Then when it go to another support level, you buy. When it go to another support level, you buy. Then whenever the market is going to the upside, any point the market reach, you'll be going into profitability, slow and steady until the market reach all-time high. Then when you see that everybody is hyping the market, the market is going to the moon, Solana is going to the moon, BTC is going to the moon, Ethereum is going to the moon, that is the time for you to step out of, like, take 70% of your investment out of the market whenever you see that they are hyping the market. Presently now, like this, as the market is bleeding, as the market is like crashing to the downside, you will not see any influencer come outside and say this one is going to the moon, starting to invest in this and that. No, you never see them yet, until the market starts moving to the upside, before you see buy this, market is going to the moon, this and that. That is when they will come out and predict the market. But now they don't know how to do technical or top-down analysis. Their own is to just invest. That is the reason why when BTC USD crashed to the downside, an influencer like take his life because of a crash on BTC USD. Why? Because he don't know how to do his simple technical analysis. Once you know your simple technical and top-down analysis, all these things will not be like will not just hold you, like will not just meet you suddenly. You know when the market is reacting to go to the downside, and take out some of your position out, you get. Before market crash to the downside, there must be a sign for you to like take out some of your like investment out. you get. But all these influencers, they don't know anything about the chart, and they will be shouting market is going to the moon, this and that, this and that. No, any market is going to the moon. The market work both, like work from support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support. That is how it work. So then if you are, even if you want to like be venture into investing in crypto markets, try to learn how to do your top down analysis, technical analysis, know when to buy and know when to sell, you understand, so that you won't be among those that will be regretting when the market is crashing to the downside, so that you won't be the type that will buy when the market have reached its peak to crash to the downside, you get. So I still remain your guy benvfx. Top down analysis, technical analysis is what I do, and for the past, this week now make it 15 weeks straight that have been profitable, you understand. No any week within that inside this 15 week, no any week that have end in loss yet, you understand. So I come on a live video every time to like share my knowledge with the people who believes in me, you understand, because there is evidence. Even if on this particular video like this, you can ask for my WhatsApp number. I'll send you my WhatsApp number if you want to see my history, my trading history, and know any of my trading this thing video that I will post that will not like show my history, my past 3 months history, you get. So if you want to see my whole history, you can ask for my WhatsApp number. I'll post it for you. I'll like give you the link, you WhatsApp me, and I'll give you the history of my account. That account, I don't joke with it, because it's account that I always brag about, because I know what I'm doing on the chart, you get. So I just say let me bring this to your notice, and let it not be as if nobody tell you when the market is on the support level, is when the market is moving to the upside, and they are saying it's going to the moon, it's going to the moon, it's going to the moon. No, this is the time to invest 50 to 70% of your investment into Solana, you understand. Then wait till BTC USD reach 70 to 75,000 before you invest in BTC USD. So this is my own view on this particular crypto coin. Thank you so much for watching to this end. If you watch to this end, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to like get the notification and you watch, you understand. Then whenever I go to live video, you'll be among us, you'll be among the community, you'll be among the winning team, you'll be among the lovely family, you understand. We are family there, we are community there, a small family trying to grow to a community, you understand, to create a community. That is it, you understand. So love you guys, and I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, just as I say. Thank you, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.